Good morning. New topics of this chapter: oxyacids of nitrogen. First, nitrous acid means HNO2. Preparation of nitrous acid. Nitrous acid can obtain with the reaction of sulfuric acid and barium nitrate, and by passing an mixture of NO and NO2 into water, we can obtain HNO2. Properties of HNO2: it is an unstable weak acid which is known only in aqueous solution. On trying to concentrate, the acid decomposes. And third properties: nitrous acid and nitrites are good oxidizing agents and convert iodides to iodine, ferrous salt to ferric, and stannous to stannic, and sulfite to sulfate. Fourth properties: with strong oxidizing agents like KMnO4, nitrous acid and nitrites function as reducing agents and get oxidized. Nitric ion is the good coordinating agent. Both nitrogen and oxygen have lone pairs. Now, nitric acid HNO3. Nitric acid can obtain in laboratory method of NaNO3 plus H2SO4. We can get HNO3, nitric acid. HNO3 is now almost exclusively manufactured by Oswald's process. In this process, NH3 means ammonia is catalytically oxidized to NO over platinum rhodium catalyst at 1200 Kelvin. Properties of nitric acid: pure nitric acid is colorless liquid. Its boiling point is 359 degrees Celsius. It decomposes in light, giving a yellow color due to formation of nitrogen dioxide. It is a strong acid and is almost completely dissociated into ions in solution. Now, other element, phosphorus, P. It is a very reactive non-metal. It catches fire in air. It occurs in nature in the form of stable phosphorus. Contains calcium phosphate. The important minerals are phosphorite, chlorapatite, fluoraptite, and others. Allotropic forms of phosphorus: first, white or yellow phosphorus P4. Preparation of P4 means phosphorus. Phosphorus can obtained with the reaction of SiO2 and calcium phosphide, which is obtained from bone ash. Properties of phosphorus: it is white, transparent and soft, waxy solid. Its density is 1.8. Its melting point and boiling point are 44 degrees Celsius and 287 degrees Celsius respectively. White phosphorus or yellow phosphorus is soluble in CH2 but insoluble in water. It glows in dark due to slow oxidation producing yellowish green light. This phenomenon is called phosphorescence. White phosphorus is poisonous. It turns yellow after some time. It is called yellow phosphorus. It undergoes in presence of air, which slowly raises its temperature, and due to its low ignition temperature, after a few moments it catches fire spontaneously. Due to this reason, it is stored underwater. Second state of phosphorus is red phosphorus. Preparation of red phosphorus: when white phosphorus is heated in the atmosphere of CO2 or coal gas at 573 Kelvin, red phosphorus is produced. Red phosphorus may still contain some white phosphorus which is removed by boiling with NOH. It is also prepared by heating white phosphorus with a few crystals of iodine catalyst at 250 degrees Celsius under high pressure and absence of air. Properties of red phosphorus: it is a red crystalline solid having a density of 2.2. It is less reactive than white phosphorus and does not dissolve in liquid CH2. It does not catch fire at room temperature because its ignition temperature is 260 degrees Celsius. It is a polymeric substance forming linear chains. Now, third form of phosphorus is black phosphorus. Black phosphorus has two forms: alpha black phosphorus and beta black phosphorus. Alpha black phosphorus is obtained with insulating it at 803 Kelvin. Alpha black phosphorus structure is not definite and is not conductor of electricity. Beta black phosphorus at reaction temperature of 473 Kelvin at high pressure from white phosphorus, beta black phosphorus can obtain. Beta black phosphorus is an electrically conductor. It is insoluble in CH2. It has a layered structure like graphite. Fourth form of phosphorus, brown phosphorus. Above 1600 degrees Celsius, P4 molecules begin to dissociate into P2 molecules. Rapid cooling of this vapor gives brown phosphorus, which probably contains P2 molecules. Chemical properties of phosphorus. Reactivity of the various allotropic forms of phosphorus towards other substances decreases in order. Brown greater than white greater than red greater than black. The last one being almost inert. Apart from their reactivity difference, all the forms are chemically similar. Action of air. White phosphorus burns in air to form phosphorus trioxide and pentaoxide. Red and other forms of phosphorus also burn in air or oxygen but on heating. Action of nonmetals. When heated with nonmetals, phosphorus forms compounds like PX3, PX5, P2S3 and P2S5. Action of metals or action with metals. Alkali metals, when heated with white phosphorus in vacuum, produce alkali metals phosphide, which react with water to form phosphine gas. Action of NOH. When white phosphorus is heated with NOH solution, phosphine gas is evolved. Action of HNO3. When phosphorus is heated with concentrate HNO3, it is oxidized to H3PO4. Action of concentrated H2SO4. When heated with concentrated H2SO4, phosphorus is oxidized to H3PO4. Now, compounds of phosphorus. First, phosphine. Formula PH3. Preparation of phosphine. By heating white phosphorus with sodium hydroxide solution in presence of coal gas, phosphine gas is collected by the downward displacement of water. Properties. It is a colorless gas with the smell of rotten fish and is neutral to litmus paper. It is heavier than air and also soluble in water. It is poisonous gas and acts as a Lewis base. Action of chlorine. It reacts with Cl2 means chlorine to form PCl4. Reaction with hydrogen halides means HX. When pH 3 is bubbled in solution of HX, phosphonium halides are means PH4X are formed. Action of CuSO4 solution. When pH 3 is bubbled in acidic solution of copper sulfate, a black precipitate of copper phosphide is formed. Reaction with AgNO3 solution. When pH 3 gas is bubbled in solution of AgNO3, a yellow precipitate of silver phosphide Ag3P is formed. Now uses. It is used in making smoke signals and producing smoke screens in battlefields. Next time we will discuss about oxides of phosphorus. Till then, goodbye.